what's up guys? I know it's been a while since I've given you guys an update, but here it is, and unfortunately it's not a good one. So I threw on the exhaust manifold back in to see if it would fit. It fits, but unfortunately it is in the way of something. So as you can see right here, it's like super close to the transmission. There's two holes where the screws go in, and basically those screws hold on the clutch slave cylinder, which is supposed to go right here. So this is honestly in the way of the slave. So what has to be done is I'm gonna have to cut this, drop it down. Luckily there's a lot of space, but yeah, it's not a bolt-in solution, so this header is gonna have to get modified to fit. But yeah, it's unfortunate, but yeah. Anyways, since we're already down here, I am also want to try these guys. So this little piece I've 3D printed. Don't mind the wrong screws, but it's basically it's one of these guys right here. As you can see right here, it basically holds the brake line, and it's supposed to hold the two fuel lines. The OEM one has 4 holes, has another one for some vent that I'm not going to use, and then the 2 fuel lines, but the 2 fuel lines are smaller than what I need. So we 3D printed this guy. It has just the one brake line, and then the 2 fuel lines a lot bigger. So this is a test one. It's super low quality print, low density, all that. It's just a quick print, and even then it took 2 hours to print. But I'm gonna use this one as a test to see if it fits in here, and if it fits well, I gotta start printing all the other ones. So I'm gonna test fit that and see what's up. Alright, so have a look at this. It's in there. It doesn't exactly fit perfectly, and the reason for that is because it's a low quality print. So this guy is not sitting exactly where it's supposed to. But I think once I print a good quality print one, I'll be able to get these to fit properly. But yeah, even as is, if I massage it in there, I can get it to fit and lock in, and it'll hold everything in place where it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and print a few of these out, and pretty soon I can run the lines and go from there. But yeah, I don't know if I said plan for today. I'm gonna just find stuff that's on the shelf and see what I can bolt onto the car. I do have the shifter for the CD09, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and yeah, just random stuff, see what's up. Alright, so this is what we have for the shifter. Basically, this little pin, I don't know if you can see that. That little pin has to be pushed out, and then this whole thing with the little U-joint or whatever comes out. And this is what we have. This is the main bracket and the shifter assembly. So I guess the shifter assembly is 3 pieces. The actual handle, I guess the base, or whatever you want to call that. And then over here, this is the piece. Once you remove this guy, there's a piece of, there's going to be a little bit of shaft sticking out. So that's going to slide in there. And if you see that one little hole right there, that pin is going to go back in there and basically hold everything together. And then from there, that guy, this sits into here, this sits up here, and then obviously this guy's up here. And then, if I'm not mistaken, if we kind of put this here to here, this will sit right here, which means that we're able to use the same shift boot, the trim and everything, without just having to cut anything, which is nice. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Alright, so that's it with the shift knob. As you guys can see, there it is sitting in its home. What's really cool about it, no modification to the trans tunnel. The center console does not have to be modified at all. Everything's gonna fit there nicely. Once you get the shift boot there, it's gonna cover everything up. And yeah, I'm really happy with the kit, the way it turned out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, so I think that is gonna do it for today. It's unfortunate the exhaust headers didn't fit, but whatever. I kind of had a feeling since we're putting a bigger transmission, but it's fixable, so we'll take care of it pretty soon. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just